Hi loves! So, happy Easter Sunday. We are in Mithi Resorts and Spa in Dawis, Bohol. So, we avail they use the 5,000 which is good for 5 and the 3,000 consumable on the food and drinks and then 2,000 for the room and pool and accommodation. So, I'm with my family again.
Ala, di ready.
Sus! Ang nakabutang ato may nga high tide. High tide and low tide. But I think high tide is 1 p.m. So yeah. So we're just waiting. They already give us the key card, but we are waiting for someone to pick us up. Hi love, so we're finally in the room. So yeah, I'll give you loves a room tour. So this is the room that they gave us for the day use. So this is our pathway. You can start there and then go straight here. And then this is the mini terrace. It's so nice. Oh my god. Look at that. Let's go inside. My parents are already in the room. Don't mind them. Ta-da! So this is now the bed. Let's start over here. Oh my god! They have a bathtub. It's made of wood. This is the bathroom. Seashell. So cute. And CR over here, shower area. I think this is a glass. Same. Oh, yeah. It's a glass. And over here as well is a glass. Look at that. So, it's good taking pictures here. And when you go out here, yeah, it's on the other side.
Something
blurry streetlights. I love the way she does her hair, but I know that she's not there. It's something that is on my mind.
Hi loves! Today is May... Karila mire. Lexus to? Okay. Kani, isa ni siya? Dili, huy. Oo. Murag sporty man eh. Mas sporty ang Mustang kaysa Lexus. Today is May 13? Wala, nakalimut na sa mga date. May 12. And it's a Sunday. And today is a Mother's Day. So we're here in Hanan. As always, in terms of happy hour, Hanan is the best. Because it's a buy one, take one. So we're on our way to the bar area. Itong galalista.
Meet me on the lake. Meet me in dark places. Meet me like the wind.
Just ordered the matcha latte. Mom ordered chocolate milk and the Spanish latte.
Meet me when I'm at home, flying away.
Lost long ago,
For it's you I'm thinking of, and I don't know if I'll ever have the strength to move on.
Dami na. Night ka ng pink pork belly. Their water. Unsay taste niya? Taste test. Mommy, can you put
Show me how this ends.
Mana.
Whisper it will be okay. Meet me at our favorite spot. I'll take the train. Meet me on the lake. Meet me when I'm crying. Meet me, oh just darling. Take me away.
This is their free side dishes. Their sauce. So we have pancit.
Meet me on the lake. Meet me on the lake. On the lake. Where is you I'm dreaming of? Where is you I'm dreaming of? Where is you I'm dreaming of? Where is you I'm dreaming of?